it's Amy, and this week I'm going to try being vegan.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't breathe! Oh my god. Welcome to the I Hate Amy show! Oh, I like it.
So as the end of the year was approaching, I was looking back at some of my goals that I had written at the beginning of the year, and one of them was to be a pescatarian. Anyway, so I decided to go vegan cold turkey just to see how hard or how easy it was going to be to kind of make that transition into eating less meat and just becoming a pescatarian. So let's move on to the first day.
So breakfast the first day was just a little bit sad, but that's completely my fault because I didn't think. So it's just a bowl of fruit, and I guess it's not a great way to start. But I just went and got Starbucks. Woo! And then in line I also checked my subscriber count, and I'm so close to 50k. It's so crazy. I don't know if by the time I get home if I'm gonna hit 50k, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hopefully I get to see it turn to 50k. If not, I'm still gonna be super excited either way, because 50k, 50,000, that is insane. I'm just gonna attempt a stir fry with all the vegetables that I bought. So I'm gonna put broccoli, mushrooms, and some bell peppers in there. So this is my stir fry. It's rice, mushrooms, broccoli, and some bell peppers. And I also added soy sauce for some seasoning.
After experiencing what it was like to be a vegan for a day, I knew that going forward I had to start making a plan, or at least have some sort of idea of what I was going to be eating throughout the week or just for the next day. I started looking up recipes beforehand, so that way I wouldn't have to spend so much time looking for a recipe and picking which one I wanted to try, and that way I could just get straight to cooking, and that really helped with my hunger because I wasn't starving by the time that I chose something to cook.
Oh my god. Spilled quinoa everywhere. Ta-da! For breakfast today, my sister made curried vegetables. Okay, I've got my olive oil. I'm gonna make soup right now. I think I'm deep frying the tofu. Hold on. Ow, ow.
Is that oil?
Yeah.
Why are you putting oil in that?
It told me to add oil to make soup first.
Oh my god!
Ow! The seal was broken. Soup. So today I'm going to be cooking majority of the meals right now so I don't have to cook later again. But I'm going to try to make a cream pasta using coconut milk. And then for lunch or something, I'm going to have something with black beans. Okay, I'm now going to use this can of evaporated coconut milk. I am cleaning it first. I can't find the can opener anywhere, which kind of defeats the point of two of my recipes today because they were both from a can and I can't open them. So now I just have a bowl of cooked pasta with no recipe.
All around it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
Oh my god, regrets. Oh. creamy vegan butternut squash pasta sauce. Yeah. For breakfast, I have the exact same smoothie bowl as yesterday.
I will say that being a vegan really tests your willpower, and I'm not sure if it got stronger or weaker as the days went by.
Never have I wanted to not be vegan until now.
Say that you're fine when you're not really
For
fine.
dinner, I'm just having congee, and I know it looks kind of bland, but if you guys have ever had congee, it tastes so good. I'm honestly feeling super tired, a little lightheaded too. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna eat this, and then hopefully that'll help with the lightheadedness and the hunger and all of that, and then I can start making dinner and also all of tomorrow's meals. Welcome to dinner time. So right now I'm gonna make a burrito bowl, a vegan burrito bowl, and I have all of my vegetables over here. I have my rice ready, I have some tofu ready, I have my black beans I just had to wash, and I think I'm gonna add some bell peppers just to give it some more color, because yeah, it looks pretty bland. It looks like Kanye West food. Welcome back to what feels like the 5th time I've had pasta this week. You know, I'm surprised I haven't cried yet from when I was cutting onions, because I think I've cut them 2 times now, and I don't think I've cried yet.
Nice.
Yeah.
Maybe you're immune because your eyes are so small.
Oh my gosh, actually never mind, they're burning.
Right.
Oh my god, I can't breathe through my eyes.
Oh, touch stainless steel.
What? What?
That's not stainless steel. This is stainless steel. That's supposed to help.
My eyes? Oh yeah, it kind of does. You know, this doesn't look super appetizing.
It doesn't.
I'm not gonna lie, there were days where I was weak.
I did have a moment of weakness, and I did eat some of that rotisserie chicken. I couldn't resist it. It was staring at me. I was like super hungry, and I ate it, so.
But at the end of the day, I still made it to the end of this week. I also just want to say that during these days, I was snacking a lot every single day. I just didn't show it just because that would be so much video clip and this video would be super long. But what I had was like a lot of fruit, and then I also had Ruffles, because Ruffles are actually vegan. If you get the original one, which are my favorite flavor anyways, those ones are vegan. So yeah, we stan Ruffles.
Wants to watch me make guac. I'm in class right now, so love online school. I'm gonna be so good with my burrito bowl later that I'm gonna have for dinner. I am so excited. Oh! Okay, gotta get back to class. Oh my god. For dinner, I have my burrito bowl that I made yesterday. I made sure to make enough for today, and then I also put some guac on it. So, oh my god. That might be a bit too much. Oh my god. I'm gonna be deep frying. Is there such thing as too many vegetables? Why is it so thick? Am I supposed to mix it? I mean, shake it? Yeah. Oh, my bad. Oh yeah, it's yeah. It smells so good.
Are you supposed to cook it on high?
I don't know. Oh my god, dude. Why is this so spicy? Oh my god. I don't taste any curry taste. I just taste spice. Oh my god.
Yeah, you had it on too high. You cooked away the milk.
Oh.
Add a bit more milk. like it.
Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, can you repeat what you just said?
Your most successful vegan meal. Apart from your smoothie bowls.
You hear that, folks? She said it's delicious and like top A class. 5 Michelin stars.
5-star Michelin.
Nope. Oh my god. Wow.
Now I'm going to be making avocado toast. And now I'm going to take a little bit of lime. This is honestly the hardest lime I've ever felt in my life. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to burst a vein. I don't know what's wrong with this lime. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's going to be too sour now. Let's let it run off. Ta-da!
All in all, I do think that being vegan was challenging. There were just so many foods around me, especially because my parents, they cooked in the morning and I couldn't eat any of that. So I just had to like look at it and then cook my own food. And also there was just like a lot of snacks and just other like foods in my house that I really wanted to eat, but you know, you can't because it wasn't vegan. So I was like, oh my god, this is so hard. But then you get used to it and then you just, you know, you snack on your fruit and you're like, okay, it's fine. I think the thing that I got most out of this vegan diet for a week was that I got to cook a lot more for myself, which normally I don't do because I'm such a terrible cook. But I feel like trying out all these recipes and everything, it helped a little bit with improving my cooking just a little bit more. Kitchen never burned down, so. And on top of that, I also got to eat way more veggies than I usually do, like way more. And I think my body is really thanking me for that because it has been deprived of so many fruits and vegetables in its lifetime. In terms of weight, I wouldn't say that I lost any weight. Not that I would really know. I didn't weigh myself at the beginning because I didn't think I was going to be losing any weight, which I don't think you should be if you are transitioning into a vegan, because I think you should be eating like same nutrients or protein or whatever, right? So I don't think you're supposed to lose like a lot of weight. But I maybe feel a little bit less bloated in the mornings every day, so maybe that is a factor. It could just be in my head, but yeah, I didn't really see much fluctuations in weight. I think this diet, not really a diet, maybe, yeah, a vegan diet was really fun to try out. It really tested me. Most of the time, it tested me, and sometimes I failed. Would I do this again? Yes. Do I miss eating chicken? Definitely. Should you subscribe for more content like this? Absolutely. Also, let me know if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up and a comment down below telling me if you liked it, or if you want to see me continue this for a whole month, because I know my sister would really like to see it, because during this time we didn't have to share any snacks because I could not eat them. But let me know if you guys would like to see it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I hope it was entertaining to watch. See you next week.